Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video of my channel. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this simple illusional 3D typography. This looks pretty decent in a way, so let's get started. Open up your Photoshop. I'm using the latest version of Photoshop 21.2.0. Anyways, go to File, New, and here type the title if you want. The width I'm gonna leave it at 1920, height 180, and you can pick any color you want. I'm gonna choose white for now. Hit OK, then create. Here is our canvas. Now select the type tool and type whatever you want. I'm going for typography, typography. Drag it down a bit. This is too big for the canvas, so I'm gonna resize it down. Press Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out. Now hold Ctrl plus Shift to resize the proportion. Now drag it in the middle with Ctrl plus 0. Go back to the default size and hit the button over here. Ctrl plus D to deselect. Now I'm gonna change the color of the text. Select the type tool, mark the text and pick any color you want. I'm gonna pick black. Hit OK, then hit this button. Now make a copy of this layer. Select the type tool, mark the text and pick any color you want. I'm gonna pick black. Hit OK, then hit this button. Now make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Rename it as a shadow and drag it down. Change the fill and opacity around 76 and 75%. Select the move tool and keep pressing the left arrow key to move it until it fits properly. Now create a new layer by pressing Ctrl plus the new layer icon and give it a gradient color. From the style box, pick radial and check mark on the reverse. Pick any basic gradient color and scale it up around 275 and hit OK. Select the very top layer and pick line shape from the shape tool. Hold shift and drag a straight line under the text. We don't want any fill here, so make it none and at stroke pick a color, then here type 20 pixel. Now align it too by selecting the canvas and hit this button. Ctrl plus D to deselect it. Now I'm gonna select the type tool once more and this time it says right 12. Resize it again, drag it under the line. I'm going for another font this time. I'll link the fonts down in the description below. Hit the button, align it as well. So now you can do some fun stuff with this layer. Double click on it and click one outer globe. So change the opacity around 4. And blend mode, keep it at hard light. Play with the spread and size. Maybe I will decrease the opacity around 29 and hit OK. save it down, and it's done. A very simple typography. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing soon.